What up? Alright, so what I got here? I got a little sign to help me out. To help me use my OP1. I got the OP1, I never use it, mostly because I don't have Midi and I really like using the 8 outs on my 2000 XL and on the 3000. So this is gonna help me hopefully use it more, because the only time I use it is when I travel. So, and then when I'm traveling, I'm not really making beats, you know what I mean? I bring it with me, I don't really using it like that. So, boom, candy, and sweet water. I only ordered from them because I like the Smarties. All right, Kenton this Midi USB host. So in order to use this with Midi, you gotta get a USB host. So the Midi cable is this guy right here. What is it? USB A. I forget what this is called, but this will work in here, and I'll be able to use it with traditional Midi stuff. So I just can't wait to use this with my 3000 or my 2000 or even my Sense. So that's it. Let's figure out how to use this. I'm not gonna talk too much because it's late. This is that joint. This is good shit. Alright, we're gonna see if this works. First, I'm gonna load some drums in here real quick. Boom. Alright, boom, we're here. So I just connected this here, MIDI in, MIDI out, OP1, the USB into here. I'm just gonna see if I can get the keyboard MIDIing into here. So let me just get a drum track real quick. Now I got drums. Now I'm gonna see if this MIDI is gonna work with this, and also how it's gonna sound, because that's important too, right? The OP1 has a cool sound. It's like a very cold sound, but it does have its own sound. I think it's pretty cool. I like it. All right, so let's go to MIDI. Make this MIDI, and we're gonna hope, or else your boy wasted his money. And if you follow this channel, I buy a lot of stupid shit. Alright, cool. This is how the OP1 sounds dry. And I got this, the mood, the Chase Bliss mood 2. I got a delay on it. No, that's too much. But yo, I gotta work in. Alright, I'm souped. Alright.
5 billion years later.
Alright, it's been a few weeks. I wanted to finish this up by using the OP1 as like a master for other MIDI devices. So that's what this is going to be about. And honestly, this makes a lot of sense because you have 4 tracks on the OP1, right? So it would be cool to use this to control the tape, and then you'd have MIDI devices, right? So right now I just connected this to the in and out of the 3000, right? So the in and out of the 3000's here, and then this is the Behringer edge. I got the Behringer edge coming out here. I'm gonna just make something real quick. When I'm done making it, I'm gonna have a different drum track here, and then this is if you don't know what this is kind of like a Moog D-fan. So this is also drums. All right, so let me just come up with like a melody real quick. All right, now I'm gonna get a synth. All right, that sounds okay. All right, so I got pretty much a track, but what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna eliminate this drum track, right? I got drums in here already. I'm just gonna make a drum track. It's not gonna be the best, but I'm just trying to, like I said, get the MIDI working. So let's make a drum track. So I know that this is 85 BPM, and I have this already set to 85 BPM. All right. All right. Count in. Let's just initialize it. Boom. Okay. We have this plugged in, so I don't want this plugged in right now. All right. Okay, cool. Alright, cool. I'm just gonna add some swing to that. Just gonna make this just one later. Boom. Add a little bit of swing, nothing crazy. I'm not gonna shift it. Just make this like 56. Okay. Alright, I like that. Now I'm gonna plug this in. Bam. Alright. So now I'm plugged in. The OP1's plugged in to the MIDI host. USB-A, USB MIDI in, MIDI out. It's coming in from MIDI in, MIDI out here. And then I'm gonna plug this in. Actually, let me wait to do that. So now, if I hit play, you hear the drum track, right? So I'm gonna come into tempo sync. Make sure the tempo's on master. So it's gonna get the master from here, and we're gonna sync. MIDI clock all, sync is on. All right, and this should work. That's horrible. Okay, so it's working. It's a little buggy and it's not perfect, but it's working. I just had to like press play a couple times. It shouldn't be like that or whatever. All right, so now I'm gonna add the Behringer. This is the Behringer Edge. All right, I'm gonna let you hear it. This thing's awesome. So. This is like a little drummer. Alright, so I just wanted to show you how that is. This is how. So that's like my kick, snare, kick, snare. So now I'm gonna put this on MIDI, and it might follow it right away, it might not. Let's see. So. So like I said, this is buggy. But I guess if I just kind of hit this, hit it, switch it off again, it finds itself. It's like off time. I don't know why. You know what I think it might be? It might be because the timing on this is it's not on 16ths. Maybe that's something to do with it. Alright, yo, that's it. That's it. Well, we got it figured out. We got the OP1 working. I'm gonna definitely use this more. I bought this a long time ago, wanting to use it, but I don't know, just because it wasn't working with Midi, I just never used it. But now with this Kenton Midi USB host, it's working. This is not a paid thing, I promise. But it's working. It's a little buggy for my uses, but at the end of the day it works, and it's syncing just fine. It's good. So this means I'm gonna use this a whole lot more. So my plan is I'll take this to work and I can just come up with stuff and then come back, hook it up to here, still use the 8 outs for the drums or whatever it is. You can use samples. I can chop samples on here, use them with the drums here, use this, use my Pro 3, whatever I want. So yeah, that's it. That's the video. Thanks for checking it out. Thanks for watching it. And peace to the next one. All right, later. That's it. Peace, peace.